If you've noticed, my blog hasn't been updated as much because I've been studying my ass off for math. I think I make it clear every time that, you know, I'm in a math class. You know, I make that very apparent. You know, I don't really talk about anything else. Any other classes I have, I mainly talk about my math class because it's hard. I have been dedicated. I have studied ample amount of times. I went to the math lab at least 4 times a week. The chapter 2 test, which was the test we took a practice test on last Tuesday. I got 100 on my practice test. And then Thursday we took the actual test, and we got the results back today, which is Tuesday. I got a 55. I have a D in the whole course. I repeat, I have a 50. A 55. That's a plus 7 points. So what is that, 60? Is that 60? Plus 4? No, that's plus 4 points. Still a fucking E. And everyone tells me, you know, maybe you should study more, or maybe you should get a tutor. I knew it. Look, I knew it. I knew the damn thing. This was my chapter. This is the practice test. We couldn't ask no questions. 10, which is 100 for her. She does. This is all the a 10 means 100. All these, right? You see no marks, do you? No marks, no marks. Oh, 1 mark. Oh, it was a check, by the way. I got 100 on the practice and an E on the actual test. Now, obviously, I know something, right? So I'm not losing my mind, right? I know something, right? And then she shows the scores for everyone in the class, and it's a D. I have a D in the class. D means you don't do shit. You know what I'm saying? D means you don't do nothing. You don't show up. E means you don't give a fuck. But D means you don't do anything. I'm there every day. I never missed a class. I do all my homework, all my classwork. I'm there every day, on time. So can someone please tell me why I have a D? Because now I feel like I'm wasting my time in this fucking class. Because I have a D in a class where I'm there every day. And, okay, yeah, the first test, yeah, I fucked it up. I got an E. But I actually studied for this, and I knew it. And this is proof that I knew it. So I'm not spazzing out for nothing. I knew it. I got 100 on the practice. So what okay, so one of my friends said that it's probably test anxiety. And one of the I can't stand math, dude. I hate it. I would have had my degree if it wasn't for math. I passed English, all A's, psychology, all A's, speech, A's, everything A. When it gets to this shit, and you know what bothers me? This math that I'm doing is a prerequisite. I'm not even in college math yet. Ugh. Oh. So yeah, number 24. I don't know if you can see it. Number 24 is a word problem about degrees Celsius. Shit I don't know about, right? You see that? It's wrong. It's wrong, right? Because the answer is 10 degrees Celsius, right? The answer is 10 degrees Celsius, and this is what I put. I put 10, but not the degrees Celsius, so it's wrong. Why try? Why try? Come on, you have to admit, that's annoying. Thank God Glee comes on tonight. I'm sorry, I have to watch that. Greg has duty, but Greg, you have to understand. He understands. We text. We're cool. Here's my poison for tonight. I have a date. I hate math. I feel like I'm wasting my time. It's all I do. I knew it. That's proof I knew it, and I'm not bullshitting anyone. So, I have no answers. My day sucked. But, Glee comes on the night, so I'm kind of happy about that. Britney Spears rocks.